What's up, guys? This is multiplication of fractions, and Archimed is back. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. So let's begin. So things to keep in mind before we start this lesson are, unlike the subtraction and addition of fractions, multiplication does not require LCM. This is important because many of the beginners tend to make mistakes in this part itself. And the answer can still be simplified. You don't need to leave it in improper fractions if there is a chance of it, to be simplified. And one thing which is different from basic addition and subtraction of fractions is, here the denominators will be multiplied along with the numerators. We do not take LCM, we do not give a common denominator. And the fourth and the last important thing is, we should treat off as the sign of multiplication. I'll I'll give a brief video on BODMAS in next few videos. BODMAS was basically an order in which we solve sums, solve problems. So let's begin with the questions pertaining to fractions. Here are the questions. Here are the questions. Let's begin. So the first question we have: 1 by 6 into 2 by 8. 1 by 6 into 2 by 8. In this question, we can cut 2 and 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 1. We cannot cut anything else, so the first question is 3 into 8, 24. First question's answer is 1 by 24. Yeah. First question's answer is 1 by 24. Now let's do the second question. 4 by 7 into 21 by 12. Simple. We can divide 21 by 7. Answer would be 3. 3. Again, we have 4 and 12. We can divide 12 by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. So answer is going to be 1. Coming to the third question. Coming to the third question, 5 by 7 into 3 by 5. This question is also easy. We can cut 5. And answer is, yes, the answer is 3 by 7. Now for the fourth question, 2 by 5 into 15 by 7. Fraction is easy, if you don't have problems in your tables. We can divide 15 by 5, we'll get 3. So the answer is 2 into 3 divided by 7. That is 6 by 7. Coming to our last question. Sorry again. Coming to our last question, 4 by 6 into 2 by 8. So this question is easy. We can divide 4 and 8. 4. We can cut 4 and we can cut 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 divided by 4 is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 2. 2 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 divided by 4 is 2. We can leave 2 over here. We can cut 2 and we get 1 by 6. Answer is 1 by 6. Simple question, I suppose. Now we will proceed to word problems. We'll see the answers again. These are the answers we have done and solved these. Coming to the word problem. Now I'll give you only 2 word problems for this video. A packet of Kochi banana chips weighs 1 by 4 kilograms. How much do 5 such packets weigh? This question is very easy. It's basic. It should not even be in grade 7 standard. It's easier. 1 by 4, we can represent it into 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9 upon 4. That is 9 upon 4. Okay, 9 upon 4 is the weight of one packet. So we multiply it with 5. 5 because we need to know the weight of 5 packets. Yeah, it is 45 by 4. 5 into 9, 45. 45 by 4. We can represent this into mixed fraction. It would be 11 1 by 4, and precisely that is the answer. Yeah, you can see this is the answer. Next question. Alia is 5'3" by 4 feet. 5'3" by 4 feet in height, and her brother is 3 by 5 of her height. Okay, so here we know Alia's height. H of Alia. I'm sorry for that. Is 5'3" by 4. Now 5'3" by 4 would be 5 into 4 plus 3, 23 by 4. Height of a brother, let's call it HB, is 3/5 of Alia's height. Alia's height is 23 by 4 into off. See, this is the off thing. This is the off term, which in maths we consider off to be symbol of multiplication as well. Not a symbol of multiplication, but it tells you that you need to multiply. So 3 by 5 of 23 by 4. Now 23 into 3, 2 into 3, 20 into 3 is 60. 60 plus 3 into 3, that's 9. Answer is 69 upon 5 into 4, 20. That would precisely be 20, 60 plus 3, 9 by 20, and that would be Alia's brother's height in feet. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this, and yeah, here is the answer as well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Please share it with all your grade 7 friends. And if you liked this video or you wanted to give a feedback, there is my Instagram ID. You can contact me on it. Thank you again.